Hello children, I hope you all are fine and you all are completing given assignment on time. Children, in third chapter, exercise 14, today we will complete remaining sum. Today we are going to start fourth question. Here question asks find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. So children, first for all this number together we can find out the LCM. So children, first we will take the number which one is divides all these factors, or maybe LCM. That's why it's not necessary. It should be divide all the number together. If 2 or 3 number is divided by one divisor, then you can take. That's why first we will start from 2. Here 2 4s are 8. 9 is not getting in the table of 2. That's why 9 will remain same. 2 5s are 10. Next number 15 we are not getting in the table of 2. That's why 15 also we will write as it is. 2 10s are 20. Next number again we will take 2. 2 2s are 4, 9, and this 5 will remain same. 15 will also remain same. 2 5s are 10. Next one we will take by 3. Then 2 will remain same. 3 3s are 9. Here 5 will remain same. Here 3 5s are 15. Here 5 will remain same. Next number, as we all are seeing, 5 is many times we are seeing. That's why first 5 we will take 5. 2 will remain same. 3 will remain same. Here 5 1s are 5. Here also 1. Here also 1. Now what is there in your hand? 2 and 3. Then children, if you want to everywhere 1, then write 2 1s are 2, 1, and here 3, here 1. By 3, then you will get here 1 only, here 1, and as you all want, everywhere you got 1 only. If you don't want, you want to stop here only, then also you can stop after 4 factor, and 2 and 3 while multiplying you can take. Therefore, LCM equal to factors multiplication of all these factors. 2 into 2, 3 into 5 into 2 into 3. Product of all factors we had written. Next one, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 into 5, 60. 60 into 2, 120. 120 into 3 we will do. 3 0s are 0. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. We got product of all these factors 360. Children, here asking HCF of 2 number, that is given. LCM we got, and after that when we will divide, every time we should get remainder 5. That's why what we will do, hence the number equal to LCM plus remainder. Then LCM you got 360, remainder is 5. That's why your answer will be 365. I hope you all got this answer. Now we will move to our next question, that is question number 5th. Reduce the fraction. Related to this sum, we had solved in last exercise 13, question number 2nd. Now next sum we will solve the same type. Question number 5th one. Here 348 upon 319. So children, you are going to decide which number is greater number, that one will be your dividend, and which one is your smaller number, that number we will take divisor. There, here we can identify 319 is the smaller one and 348 is the bigger one. That's why this one is dividend. Now 319 1 jar 319. 18 minus 9 9. 3 minus 1 2. Here subtraction you got 29. Children, by 29 again we will take first divisor, that is 319, and this divisor will be now dividend, as I had taught you in last exercise. Now by 29, that is by this remainder, we will divide. Then 29, first 29 1 jar 29. 11 minus 9 2. Here 2 minus 2 0. That's why we are not writing 0. Here 9. Then 29 1 jar 29. Now here your answer got 0. Where you got answer 0, by which divisor you got remainder 0, that divisor is yours HCF. Therefore children, HCF equal to 29. Now what we want over here, this given sum we are going to find out in reduced form. Write down 348 upon 319 equal to, as HCF is a common factor, that's why children here 29 and 29 in both the term, 29 will be common. Now what will be the next number? Then for that what you will do? 348 multiply, divide by 29. 348. 29 1 jar 29. 14 minus 9. What answer you will get? 5. Here 8. Now 2 minus 2 0. That's why 29 2 jar 58. Your answer is 0. Means 29 multiplication by 12, you will get 348. Now in the same way 29 and 319. As we know here, we had completed that divide over here. That's why we will not divide again. We will write as it is. 29 into 11. So children, here we can observe 29 and 29 will cancel. Remain 12 upon 11. This 12 upon 11, both number will not be divided by one divisor. By one number, this both number will not cancel. It will remain as it is. And for this question, your answer is 12 upon 11. So children, I hope you understood. And here more sums are there in question number 5th. You will solve by yourself. Now question number 6. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are given, that is 432 and 72. If one of the number is 216, what is the other one? So children, here related to HCF and LCM, we are having formula. What is that formula? Product of two number, question number 6. Product of two number, product of two number equal to HCF into LCM. Here LCM is given 432 and HCF is given 72. If one of the number is 216, what is the other? Other number into 216. product of two number. Out of two number, one number we knows 216 and other number we are going to find out. Then other number equal to 72 into 432. Now children, this 216 is in multiplication form. When we will take right side, then it will be in divide form. So next step, here one factor is there. Which one? When we will factorize, some numbers we can cancel it. Then what is that number? 72 into here. Then 216 into 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 1 are 2. 1 3. 2 2 are 4. For 432, we are having the factor 216 into 2. Now remaining term as it is. For example, 72 and 216 as it is. So children, from numerator and denominator, we will cancel 216. Now what will remain? 72 into 2. That is 2 2 are 4. 2 7 are 14. Therefore, children, your other number is 144. I hope you all understood. Is it clear? So children, we are going to move to our next question, seventh one. Seventh one is also the same. Product of two-digit number is 765 and their SCF is 3. What is their LCM? The formula will be same only. I hope you will try this one, and if you don't know the answer, you will ask. Question number 8. A trader has 3 bundle of string, 392 meter, 308 meter and 490 meter long. What is the greatest length of string that the bundle can be cut up into without any leftover string? So children, we are going to move for next question, that is 8th one. That numbers are given 392. Next number is given 308. Next one is given 490. So children, we will see by which number all these numbers are divisible. Then first we will take 2. 2 1 are 2. 2 9 are 18. 2 6 are 12. Next number 2 1 are 2. 2 5 are 10. 2 4 are 8. Next one 2 2 are 4. 2 4 are 8. 2 5 are 10. Now here 196, 154, 245 we got. Now we will take by which number all the 3 or out of 3 2 will divide. So again we will take by 2. 2 9 are 18. 2 8 are 16. 2 7 are 14. 2 7 are 14. 245 will not, it will keep as it is. Now by next number. By next number we will take, by other number we can take 7 also. By this 245, right, as it is. Then by 7 we will take. 7 1 jar, no 98 will remain as it is. Because 98, and let's see, 7 1 jar 7. 9 minus 7 2. Now here 8 means 7 4 jar 28. As we all are seeing, 7 multiplied by 14, we are getting 98. That's why we will write here 14. Next number 7 1 jar 7, 7 1 jar 7. Next number 7 3 jar 21. 21, then 22, 23, 24, 3 and 5. 7 5 jar 35. So children, here again we are getting 14, 11 and 35. Then again by which number we will divide? As we know 14, 11 and 35 will not be divided by any number. That's why what we will do, keep all the number same only. Now what is the greatest length of string that the bundle can be cut off into without any leftover string? Now here children, what we did? We will find out that type of number. Which one here greatest means GCD we are going to find out. That's why here which number we had taken by 2, only 2 number is divided, third number not divided. That's why what we will do, this one will drop and we will take directly by 7. Here 7 2 ja 14, 15 16, 17 18 19 means what we will get 196 divided by 7. 7 2 ja 14, 196, then 7 2 ja 14, 9 minus 4 5 and 6, 7 8 ja 56. Here we got 28. Why we are doing this one? Because here we are going to find out greatest common divisor. The next one we will find out 7 2 ja 14, 7 2 ja 14. Next number 7 3 ja 21, 3 5 7 5 ja 35. Now here we can see no number is there which will divide all the 3 numbers. That's why we will stop here only, where we are getting only the common divisor, that is 2 and 7. Directly from here only we will find out HCF. Therefore HCF equal to 2 into 7 equal to 14. So children, here a trader has the greatest length of string 14. The bundle can be cut up into without any leftover string. Then that answer is 14. Now question number next. Which 2 consecutive even numbers have an LCM of 180? So children, we are going to move further to our next question, that is ninth one. Here it is given LCM of 180 and that 2 numbers are consecutive even numbers. That's why first write down HCF of 2 consecutive even number equal to 2. HCF of 2 consecutive even number equal to 2. Now next number it is asking LCM of 180. That's why write down 2 into 180 equal to 2 0 ja 0, 2 8 ja 16 and 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 remain, that is 360. Here what you had written, 2 into LCM, that is 180 equal to 360. So children, here we are going to find out that number by which 2 numbers should be the consecutive even number should be there. That 2 factor should be the consecutive even number. Suppose one is 2, other even number we will take 4. Now here we don't know the numbers. Both the numbers we don't know. That's why what we will take, one number is x, other number equal to x plus 2. If suppose now only I had given example, if one number is 2, other number is 4. In the same way, that one is example I had to. But here we assumed one number is x, other number is x plus 2. Now multiplication of both this number, x into x plus 2. This into only, if you want, you keep like this way and write here 360. And here multiplication of x into x, you will get x square. Multiplication of 2 into x, you will get 2x. Next number, you will get this number as it is we will write. Now, so children, here which number we will add for getting perfect square number? So children, for example, perfect, what do you mean by perfect square number? For example, x square equal to 25. Then x equal to 5. This one is called as a perfect square number. Suppose x square equal to smallest number only I am taking 9. Then your x equal to 3. Such type of number we will take. So children, here we will add that number by which we will get the perfect square. So children, here we will take x square plus 2x, and by our own we are adding plus 1 in both the side. We are not adding 1 in only in one side. We are adding 1 on both the side. So children, here x plus 2x, here x square plus 2x plus 1. For this number, we are having square x plus 1 square. And for 361, now we are going to find out, for example, for 25, square of 5 is 25. For 9, square of 3 is 9. In the same way, for which number we are having 361. Then children, for that number we are having x plus, here x plus 1 square, as it is we will write x plus 1 square, and here 361. 361 is the square of the number 19. How you will find out? 19 into 19. 9 9 ja 81. 9 1 ja 9. 9 plus 8, 17. Then again 1 into 19, 19. You will get 1, 9 plus 7, 16, and this 361. So children, to find out by which numbers square is 361, you have to remind. The square of 1 is 1, the square of 2 is 4, the square of 3 is 9, the square of 4 is 16. Like this way, we are learning the number and its square. Now, this one is the starting position where you are learning. And you got this first sum. That's why don't be confused. And this one 361 is the perfect square of 19. That's why don't be confused and it should be clear to you. Now here number is given x plus 1 square equal to 19 square. Now this square you are seeing on both the sides. So children, remove that square. Here x plus 1 equal to 19. Therefore x equal to, children, this plus 1, now we will take that side. What will happen? This plus 1, when it will go on right side, it will be minus. Then 19 minus 1 equal to 18. So children, your one number, that is one number is x. Your one number is 18. Other number is x plus 2. That is x is 18 and 2, that is 20. So children, your two consecutive even numbers are, one is 18, other one is 20. I hope whatever today I explained, you all understood. So children, in this way we had completed our third chapter here. So children, be safe, healthy and happy. And whatever doubt will be there, of course, without confusion, you can ask to your subject teacher. Thank you children.